How to find the Windows Defender version installed in Windows 10. There are times when it is important to determine what version of Windows Defender is currently installed in Windows 10 so you can diagnose a problem or determine if you have the latest version installed. Unfortunately, Microsoft does not make it very clear how to find this information. This tutorial aims to clear up that confusion. To find the version number for the installed Windows Defender in Windows 10, please follow these steps. From the Start menu, search for Windows Security and click on the result when it appears as shown below. When Windows Security opens, click on the Settings gear at the bottom left of the window as indicated by the arrow in the image below. The Windows Security About page will now be open and will show the anti-malware client version, Windows Defender version, the engine version, scanning engine, the antivirus version, virus definitions, and the anti-spyware version, spyware definitions. For most users, the anti-malware client version is what you are looking for as it will indicate the overall version for Windows Defender installed in Windows. When making a change to the registry, it is recommended that you first create an export of the entries that you are about to modify. This allows you to save the information to a registry file, or .reg file, so that if a problem occurs you can import the original settings back into the registry. With the release of the Windows 10 May 2019 update, Microsoft introduced a new security feature called Tamper Protection that protects security settings for Windows Defender antivirus from being disabled by malware or third-party programs. If you try to run a program and receive an error stating that the API-MUS-WinCRT runtime L11-0.dll is missing from your computer, you can use this guide to restore the missing DLL so that your program works again. Windows Defender allows you to perform a custom scan that lets you specify the specific folder or drive you would like to scan for malware. As you only need to scan that one folder, the scan time will be much quicker than scanning an entire machine. By default, Windows hides certain files from being seen with Windows Explorer or My Computer. This is done to protect these files, which are usually system files, from accidentally being modified or deleted by the user. Unfortunately, viruses, spyware, and hijackers often hide their files in this way, making it hard to find them and then delete them. VMDR Vulnerability Management. Detection and response, discover, assess, prioritize, and patch critical vulnerabilities in real time and across your global hybrid IT landscape, all from a single solution. Text source, bleepingcomputer.com.